Olivia Babsy Grange is sick and has been admitted to hospital.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Minister of Gender, Culture, Entertainment and Sports Olivia Babsy Grange will not be present this Saturday, March 24th, during the climatic final day at the 108th staging of the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships. The minister has been ill since Tuesday of this week and has been admitted to the Tony Thwaites Wing, the private arm of the University Hospital of the West Indies. It is understood that she is undergoing a test and treatment at the same time. She's active and still working. We are keeping our fingers crossed that she will make a full recovery. She has to miss champs this year, but God bless TV. Her champs this year will be on TV, a source close to the situation said. Another source added that she is in good health. Her breathing is a little bit off, but otherwise she's fine. The Central St. Catherine Member of Parliament was also admitted to the same hospital in July 2014, reportedly with high blood pressure. Grange was then the opposition spokesperson for Information, Youth, Culture and Gender Affairs. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.